Hello children, welcome to the online edu class of science. Today we are going to study about chapter 10 and our today's topic is the brain. So the name of the chapter is nervous system. So children, let me tell you that how does our nervous system looks like. From the screen you see the things. Here you can see that the human nervous system is made up of three different parts. First one is your brain. Second part is your spinal cord. Third part is your nerves. Then now we are going to study our brain. So the different parts of the brain are cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. So now what is the function of the brain? Brain is the controlling center of the body. It is protected by the hard bony structure called skull. Then the space between the skull and the brain is filled by the fluid which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries. Now we are going to study each part of the brain one by one. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is dome-shaped. Surface is covered with grooves and ridges. You can see here grooves and you can see here how the ridges looks like. It performs functions like thinking, learning, remembering, speaking, etc. The next part is cerebellum. You can see where is the location of cerebellum. From here you can guess how does it looks like. Then cerebellum lies below the cerebrum. It helps in balancing and maintaining the body posture. Then it also coordinates with the muscular actions. Now other part of the brain, that is medulla. Now you can see in this picture how medulla looks like. Medulla is a long stem-like bulb-shaped structure which lies below the cerebellum. It connects brain to the spinal cord. It controls voluntary actions like movement of lungs, heart, respiration, vomiting, etc. Then spinal cord. We all have spinal cord. So from the picture it is clear that how the spinal cord looks like. So we are going to study the functions of the spinal cord one by one. But first let us see what is the location of spinal cord. Spinal cord is enclosed inside the tough, bony, flexible spine. It extends from the base of the brain to the end of backbone. It connects large part of the nervous system to brain. It gives supports to the body. It passes messages from brain to the body and from the body to the brain. So now, after studying the three parts of the brain, it's time for the assignment. And your assignment is to write new terms in your notebook. Now, I hope you all have understood the various parts of the brain and its functions. Thanks for your kind attention. We will be meeting in our next video. Bye-bye.